YOTMT Machining Center, extreme experience, absolute precision. As a high-end CNC machining center, YOTMT provides customers with excellent product experience for designers, salespersons, and manufacturers. The modular design concept enables various configuration combinations. The compact structure is suitable for limited space. The intelligent human-machine interaction simplifies operating complexity. The high machining accuracy demonstrates excellent technical strength. The high degree of automation reduces operating costs. The perfect after-sales service reassures customers. The customized services continue cooperative relations. The simple operation improves work efficiency. The sufficient tool magazine realizes unmanned machining. The convenient maintenance extends the machine tool life. The precise and stable machining quality wins customer approval. The powerful 5-axis machining capability creates complex parts.